To all my amazing subscribers, I love you guys so much. Hey foodie fam, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a really easy sandwich recipe. It's a veggie based sandwich recipe consisting of carrots, cucumbers, cabbage, and of course the binding factor, mayonnaise. You can always incorporate any other thing you want into this recipe, but keeping it simple is my intention. So the first thing you want to do is grate your carrot and then dice or slice your cucumber depending on what you want. And yes, dice or slice your cabbage into the size that you would like, that is comfortable for you to put into your mouth. When you've done all this, put everything together in a bowl and just mix it together until it's nicely done. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I mean, that's if you're not already subscribed to the Luscious family. Yes, guys. Once it's nicely mixed together, you can proceed to putting it in between your bread slices. You just want to put one slice of bread, put your veggie mix, put the second slice, put your veggie mix again, put the third slice. You can do it even up to the fifth layer depending on how wide your mouth is. But if you're packing it for a lunch, it's advisable to just put one slice, your veggie mix, and another slice over it so that it doesn't spill into your lunch bag. Thank you guys for always watching my videos. I love you guys so much. You're the best. You can check out my other sandwich recipe videos or easy breakfast ideas playlist that is going to be linked up there, right there. See you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.